See, today I'm going to explain the download and the joins also. I'm going to explain joins also very, very important. And see, what is the transaction code? What is the transaction code for ABAP editor? What is the transaction code for ABAP editor? What is the transaction code for ABAP editor? Yeah, no problem. Please send me the message. Yes, yes. Oh, ABAP editor, I'm asking. ABAP editor. Yes, okay. Yeah, brother, already my screen is, I expanded my screen. Okay. Okay. What is the ABAP, okay, what is the transaction code for ABAP editor? Excellent. Mostly all the people sent correct. But one guy, Sainath, brother, SC38, brother Sai, brother Sainath, transaction code is SC38. You send the SC80. SC80 is for the object navigator screen, brother. Okay. You please check the transaction codes also. Okay. Yeah. All the people sent perfect. Yes. Oh, next. Mishra, brother, not SC11, brother. SC11 is for data dictionary. Okay. SC11 is for data dictionary. Okay. SC38 is the transaction code. SC38 is the transaction code. See, in interview point of view, there might be a chance to ask the question. What is that? Okay. T codes also they will ask you. T codes also they will ask you. Okay. Don't forget. Mohit, see here, I asked what is the transaction code for ABAP editor. I didn't ask what is the advanced no. Okay. SC80 may be advanced no, but the question is what is the transaction code for ABAP editor? Okay. Okay. Now see here, I'm going for the stress functionality. See, I'm going to click on execute. I didn't activate. Save, check, activate, click on enter, and I'm executing. Executed. So, oh, here is so, okay, I need to open another program. I just to open another one second. Just right. Not this one, right? Program name is different. That's enough. This is the program. Okay, see here. See, yesterday we discussed if I click on select all icon, all the records is going to select. If I click on this one, okay, all these records are unselected. Now, here the point is what click on the download button. If I click on the download button, all the records need to download. All the records need to download. Okay, here what is that? See how you can write the download functionality. How you can write the download functionality. For example, see here, SAP Labs. Okay, SAP Labs. SAP Labs provided two function modules, FMs, two function modules. The first one is GUI upload, and the second one is GUI download. The first one is GUI upload, and the second one is GUI download. Okay, see, these are the two function modules which was provided by the SAP Labs. If you want to upload the data, then you need to use this function module. If you want to download the data, then you need to use this predefined function modules. Okay, now here the functionality is what I need to download this data in a notepad. Okay, so see here, I'm going to back provide the program. See when, see here, see here, when down, that means when you click on the download button, when you click, when you click, okay, when you click on the download button, see here, click on pattern. Okay, GUI download. When you click on the download button, then see, click on continue button. When you click, okay, when you see how you can call the function module, we already know, right? You already know how. If you want to call, we already discussed the function modules. Okay, how to create the function module, how to call the function module, how to execute the function module. Everything we discussed in our previous class before starting that reports concept. Now see here, click on the pattern, try to specify the function module, select the call function, try to specify the function module, then click on enter button. Automatically you will see, okay, automatically you will see the call function module. Here it is asking the file name. File name means it is asking the file path where it's need to download. Here the point is what is the specialty of this GUI download function module? What is the specialty of this GUI download function module means so? Okay, what is the specialty of this GUI download function module means so? By using this function module, we can download the data. By using this function module, we can download the data. How we are going to download data? See here, this we need to download the data instead of the, okay, in that means we need to download the data in notepad. Okay, so here the point is what this function module will create automatically. This function module will create the download function module. Okay, this function module will, see here, sorry, this function module will create the notepad first. Okay, we need to mention on which path the notepad has to, okay, on which path the notepad has to, on which path the notepad has to create. Why means so? By using this download function module, we people can create the notepad. Okay, this function module will create the notepad with particular name. Okay, where it needs to create, where this download function module needs to create the notepad, we need to specify particular path. So for example, I want to create on the desktop. For example, I want to create on the desktop. See here, I want to create. See, okay, if you want to